In this video, I will be showing you how to create a cross-tabulation table using SPSS. A cross-tabulation is used when analyzing the relationship between two or more variables within a sample of data that may not be apparent when analyzing survey responses. When analyzing data, you can use SPSS software to generate a cross-tabulation table. This type of table is known as a crosstab, a two-way table, or a contingency table. A crosstab table is simply a data table that presents the results of an entire group of respondents as well as results from a subgroup of a survey. Step 1. Type your data into an SPSS worksheet. Contingency tables require at least two variables of data. For this sample question, we have already entered our data as shown here. We are going to be analyzing how old you are and how likely you are to use Twitter. Step 2. We are now ready to create a crosstab. We will start by going to the top of the screen and clicking on Analyze. We will then hover over Descriptive Statistics from the drop-down menu and then select Crosstabs. The Crosstab dialog window will open. Step 3. When the Crosstab window appears on your screen, you will have to select the question that you wish to analyze for your table's rows and columns. Select one variable in your left window and click on the top arrow to populate that into the row box. Go back and select your second variable from the left window and click on the bottom arrow to populate that into the columns box. For this example, we have how old are you in rows and do you visit Twitter multiple times per week in columns. Click OK and the crosstab will appear. In a crosstab, the categories of one variable determine the rows of the table and the categories of the other variable determine the columns. The cells of the table contain the number of times that a particular combination of categories occurred. The categorical variables in your SPSS dataset can be numeric or string, and their measurement level can be defined as nominal, ordinal, or scale. However, crosstabs should be only used when there are a limited number of categories. Note that in most cases, the row and column variables in a crosstab can be used interchangeably. The choice of the row or column variable is usually dictated by space requirements or interpretation of results. The audience that we are targeting are students who are using the SPS program. We think this video would attract this audience because SPS has a lot of complicated features. The title of this video is an exact phrase for what this video explains to do, and students using SPSS who are struggling with crosstab analysis would search for how to complete a crosstab analysis on SPSS when trying to find an answer.